Chamber of Commerce for Port Harcourt don't call for diversified of the economy following the dwindling oil revenue for the country. The chamber talked this one for the official unveiling of the 2023 Port Harcourt International Trade Fair for Port Harcourt. Chamber President Mike Elechi wey tok to tori pipo come tok say the diminishing proceeds wey dem dey get from oil suppose be the reason why government need to dive into other sources of income, and say e dey advise government to invest more in agriculture because agriculture dey give everybody opportunity to participate for the economy.
The different level of value chain in agriculture, every person participate. Oil, no, not every person participate in it. Every person, the local person participates in agriculture. Let's take an example. You want to grow fish. It's not only growing the fish. There are people who are in the value chain of providing the fish, right? There are people who are in the business value chain of providing the fingerling itself. There are people also in the value chain of, okay, I won't produce fish. Let me buy and dry. You have added value. You sell it. So this what makes total encompassing that every person is involved. But in oil, there are few segment level of people that participate in oil and gas. But this one is all by everybody participating. That's why we believe that with it, the economy will be grown by everybody. The state government said, profile these SMEs. Let us see how we can, through Bank of Industry, Bank of Agriculture and others, and see how they can. But before you do that, you don't go and pick people SME everywhere. This is a data bank we are talking about. This is a profiling we are talking about, so that state government can have a record. So if they give you any money for input, they can trace you tomorrow.
Make dem no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV Radio.